Today I received this 6-person folding bench from VEVOR. I did get this in an exchange for this review. This is the box it came in. We're going to go ahead and open it up and check it out. Right out of the box, it comes in a carrying bag. That was a nice surprise. Something that you could just fold it up and put it right in. And look at that opening, wide enough for it to actually fit. And then it comes with the handle. It's just a Velcro handle that you can easily just grab. And here is the bench all spread out and the shade put on top. Looks like it definitely is adequate shade. Of course, you'll have to move it around certain positions. So on this end, you have a little storage unit. You could put some equipment or some clothes or just even some water bottles. You have seating here for 6. And then at the very end, you have a little tabletop, a little hanging bag where you could put something, and 2 cup holders. The shade here, this wasn't too hard to put together. It's mainly just putting these rods here, making sure you put those together before you insert them on the seat. And check it out, it covers all the seats. So I did sit on one of the seats. It's not going to fit a regular size adult, maybe a thin adult. So I would say 3 adults for this or 6 kids. What could we use this for? Well, what we're going to use them for is my nephew's football games, but you could use this for any kind of sporting event. Basketball, soccer, even when you go camping. I think this would be great also for a coach to have. That way, if they needed seating, they could just bring this along. And remember, it came with that carrying bag, so not too hard to just put it in your trunk and have it available if you need it. I'm really happy we got this. I hope this information was helpful, and I hope y'all have a great day.